Hello everyone, so I'm back for another Dolly video, and it's going to be another, it's not really going to be a customization, but it's going to be another restore. So, I'm not sure, I know I had her in one of my videos. This is the Animal Print Fashion Fever Barbie from around 2000, I think 2005. So yeah, she has been fully rerooted. And I did this years ago, like maybe, I want to say November 2014. And the hair that I used was Dollar Tree hair. I have now upgraded to a different type of hair, and it's Kanekalon hair. I still have to boil wash it, but I have decided that I do not like the hair quality that I rooted her with. If you can see, the hair is just super stiff, and if you can hear this, it's like super like coarse feeling. And you know, the hair is really nice looking though. It's shiny, lots of pigment, it has lots of color. It's just not the best quality. And this is her original hair color that she did have, and she had the streaks. She also had blue highlights in her hair. She came with the, it was either tiger print or it was zebra print, but it was like a sweater. Well, actually, here, I'll go get the other doll. So here we have what she used to be. So if any of you are familiar with Fashion Fever, this is a Barbie you would probably recognize. And this is my childhood one next to her. So basically the story behind her was I played with her a lot when I was a kid, and she was just really tattered, really messed up. Her hair was falling out. She was missing tons of hair plugs, so she actually was just a disembodied head sitting in a junk drawer for about 5 years. Then I finally decided to reroot her. Now back then when I rerooted her, I was like, you know, I'm just grateful that she's going to have hair. I wound up using the lock loop technique, which I'm going to show you this now. Now it does lock the hair plugs in place, but you're not going to get a totally secure, the hairs aren't going to be totally secure, so watch this. You can literally just pull strands of hair out of the loops. So while whole hair plugs aren't going to come out, you can definitely grab on to a strand of hair and pull it out completely. So yeah, I have completely abandoned that method of doing the lock loop technique. Now I do the knot in the middle technique. So she will be getting re-rooted, basically. I mean, for the time, I was happy that she finally had hair, and it had been years since I'd seen her with hair. So I was grateful, but this hair, I boil washed it last night. It's just not cute no more. I'm over it. So I'm actually going to be taking out all her hair that I previously gave her. Now that I did skip hair plugs, the lock loop technique is very time consuming and just overall tedious. So this new technique goes by much faster, and your doll doesn't shed hair basically, so it's very secure. This is basically the hair I'm going to be giving her, which I need to boil wash it first to get rid of the texture, but it's, as you can see, not a direct match. It's not the strawberry blonde. But when I was a kid, I always thought of her, since her winter outfit, or her wintry outfit, was very cool toned. The whole theme of her was very cool toned, but then she had the, she kind of reminded me, like with her lips and her hair color, she was kind of like a sunny day in winter. That's what she kind of reminded me of, so, or made me think of. So this time, since this hair is much cooler toned, I figured why not just make her completely cool toned instead of, you know, slightly sun-kissed. So she will receive this hair. I will be rerooting, or I will be redoing the platinum streaks you see in there, and I will be adding the blue streaks because I do have blue hair. So, without further ado, scissors are getting entangled in that hair. It's really horrible whenever it has that texture in it. That's why that is Kanekalon hair, and when you boil wash Kanekalon that has a texture, it goes pin straight, which is what I want. It makes the hair a lot easier to use. Okay. Actually, I'm going to take her dress off. I actually put her in this dress because, I mean, come on. Look at the similarity, like, mainly just this, the fluffy top. So yeah, if y'all don't like doll nudity, click off now. Because it's about to get graphic up in here. Bam, there we go. Naked Barbie. You've all seen one. Well, not totally naked, the underwear's printed on. But yeah, she eventually got a new body, but this body also had a cracked neck, if you can see that. So I'm going to be very careful because she does have a neck split. I used to yank her head off all the time. There. And I did cut the prongs off. Alrighty. Here we go. Once again, she is getting her hair removed. Well, no going back now. It has been done. That is the really horrible Dollar Tree hair that I did use. She does have a nice bob now. Look at that. It's kind of an asymmetrical bob. I just love this doll's face. Like, her like icy look, her icy stare that she gives you is so like sultry. She is just something else. She's my favorite Fashion Fever Barbie ever produced, so. So basically going to cut as close to the scalp. Oh yeah, and also if you notice, I ran out of that hair color. So yeah, I did not go into rerooting her with very much thought. I was like, yay, I'm going to reroot a doll. Knowing that I skipped several hair plugs along the way. See, I'm not sure if any of you that do rerooting have ever had to reroot a doll. But I find myself doing this a lot more with my earlier reroots. I'm just not satisfied with them. My skills have improved drastically over time, and I just feel like these dolls just deserve better. See, nowadays I don't skip hair plugs. So as you can see, I'm not sure if you can. There we go. There's actually a bunch right there I skipped, and it's that way all around her head. So nowadays I fill in every hole, and you see that gap where the original factory left a gap. I usually put more hair plugs in there, so not only do I fill every hole, but I also add more hair plugs. So basically scrape the inside of her head. And one good thing about the Dollar Tree hair is it comes out very easily. Very, very easily. Because it is so stiff that it pretty much instantly gets sucked down into the head and does not fight you. Literally takes no time at all. And usually when you pull the Dollar Tree hair out of the head that you previously root, it pretty much comes out in one big clump. But yeah, this next time she gets rerooted is the last time she will get rerooted. Well, I don't know, unless, you know, you change, you grow and you develop as time goes on, so you become a different person as time goes on, so you tend to despise your past self. Like, at least I do. And I know a lot of people can relate. They're like, oh, why was I like that? So that's why I am in this case. Like, why did I skip all those holes in her head? But of course, this was way back then. Now I live close to a wig shop that sells much better quality hair, so I've started redoing a bunch of my dolls. So you get your tweezers. Oh. See, it wants to all come out in one giant ball, but there's just so much of it. Yeah, this hair does not want to come out in a giant ball. Oh, wow. Yeah, so I'm going to... Oh. See, it wants to come all out in one big thing. I'm seeing lots of... Oh, what's that? Oh, there's a strand of blue hair in there. Yeah. Funny story, when I first went to reroot her hair, which was back in 2012 maybe, I was going to do a neon blue part line and platinum hair. Decided I didn't like the platinum hair, or the blue hair. So I wound up taking all that out, which that's actually the way she was whenever I rerooted her the first time. Yeah, the blonde hair in there doesn't want to come out. There's some blonde hair plugs. Yeah, so this is going to be kind of a long video. There's a few little tiny strands left in there, but oh, it looks like there's a hair plug. Nope, I think that's... Oh wait, there it is. Okay. So now you can see she's empty now. Once again. Yeah, see, the easiest part of her head, I distinctly remember, the easiest part of her head to reroot was back here, because it's really super soft. This part up here was the hardest part because the vinyl is very thick. Yep, she once again is bald, but I will not be waiting 3 years to reroot her. I'm seeing lots of knots in there where I tied it off. Like, basically, I would lock and loop one row, have hair plugs, and tied off. Do another one tied off, do another one tied off. So there's lots of these little tied off knots in here. Wow. It's always interesting, but yeah, this is usually how the Dollar Tree hair wants to come out the doll head. In one giant chunk, if you use the lock loop technique. So I will be sure to post a video after she is completely rooted. Yeah, there's the old horrible quality hair. Not going to be using Dollar Tree hair anymore. Ever. I mean, I do still have some Dollar Tree hair that I've purchased a long time ago, so I might use that in some Barbie knockoffs. But as far as using Dollar Tree hair on genuine Barbies, no. So anyhow, that's my little video, or actually long video, should I say. Thanks for sticking around through this 15 minute, not 50 minute, oh god, 15-minute video. Watching me take out doll hair, and I'll be sure to post a video after she is done. and she's going to be looking way different, way fresh, and the hair that she's going to have is going to be much nicer quality. So, still not hair from dollyhair.com or anything like that. I'm not going to be rerooting her with saran hair or anything, but it'll be a little better than what she was, and I think I'll be satisfied for now. But anyhow, that's my video. Thank you guys for watching. More videos to come, and remember to stay true to you.